If you manage a commercial building, you'll know that HVAC systems are the life force behind many daily processes and operations. If you're in need of a new setup, or a new angle on a new setup, or just need to undergo some routine maintenance, listen up. We provide professional and efficient commercial HVAC systems designed to last longer, provide flexibility, and save energy. You see, it's our goal to help you maintain your maintenance and operational costs, which is why we'll perform the highest quality installations, maintenance, and repairs for the lowest possible price. We boast a diverse array of services, inclusive of system replacements and upgrades, rental chillers, temporary cooling, turnkey solutions, complete startup services, and that's just the beginning. It doesn't matter if you're a high-rise building, hotel, school, manufacturing plant, whatever. We've got you and your building covered for a long time to come. So get in touch with us to sort out tomorrow's HVAC requirements today.